on 26 November. On 26 November 1949, the Indian Assembly adopted the Constitution of India and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is also known as the father of Constitution. Today, our grade 3 students are presenting a skit on laws of the Constitution.
Child, I'm very excited. No need to go anywhere. Just focus on their studies. Papa, my friends are going to Goa. I also want to go with them. Okay, dear. No, child, you are a girl, so I can't send you.
Our Constitution has given right to equality to every citizen of India.
If you can't see, stay at home. Being blind should not go anywhere.
Our Constitution has given the right to freedom to every citizen of India. Please, say loud.
I want to study further. No, help me in household work. Oh no, I do not have right to education.
Very wrong. Our Constitution has given cultural and educational rights to every citizen of India.
What happened?
You don't know the traffic rules, wear your helmet, and why are you driving fastly? You should pay fine for them. You are wrong. The law is equal for everyone. Wrong. The law is equal in front of everyone. Our Constitution has given the right to constitutional remedies. Wrong. Our Constitution has given the right against exploitation to every citizen of India.
What are you doing here? You are not allowed to read here. Why? I cannot do this.
Our Constitution has given right to every religion. We must respect all religions.
So we all know that today is a Constitution Day. Before independence only, some of our freedom fighters started writing Constitution. They started amending the Constitution, and at last, around 26th November 1947, the Constitution book prepared. But on 26th January 1950, it came into effect. Here, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of the Constitution, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the leader of the Constituent Assembly. And we call this Constitution Day is also known as Samvidhan Divas. So, Constitution means it is a book of law. Every citizen should know what are our rights and what are our duties. Not only fundamental rights, Constitution has given us so many rights. We should obey the rules and we should follow every rule. See children, for children also there are so many rights in our Constitution. So we should obey and respect and we should know what is Constitution. In our further studies, definitely we will explain you about Constitution. Thank you.